In this tutorial, I am going to guide you on how to recover a closed Cash App account. If you've accidentally closed your Cash App account and wish to reopen it, you can follow these steps to initiate the recovery process. Launch the Cash App on your Android device. Tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Swipe down in the menu options and tap on Support. Scroll down further and tap on Start a Chat. Here, you need to write a brief description of the problem you're facing, indicating that you wish to reopen your closed Cash App account. Be clear and concise in your message to ensure prompt assistance. After sending your request, wait for the response from Cash App support. If your request is accepted, you should receive a response within few days. If your request is approved, you'll receive a link or further instructions from Cash App support. Follow the provided instructions to reopen your closed account. It may take up to 2 days to receive a response from Cash App support regarding your account recovery request. Ensure you provide accurate information and cooperate with any additional requirements from Cash App support to expedite the process. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.